Friends, let's see work and time. Work and time is a very important topic in any of the competitive exams. You can understand if it is in a state PSC or maybe UPSC CSAT or in SSC, banking or railway, any type of competitive exams, you can expect such questions. So what I am going to do means, we are starting the work and time, the first video. So please make sure that you are watching from the beginning onwards. So I will continue with the series of videos. So I will be giving first some of the formulas which is related with work and time. After that we will give different type of questions. Ready? From there you can do any type of questions. Ready? So we will do some patterns of questions in each videos. Then you will understand how it comes. Of course I will be practicing the yearly question which already came in the exams. Ready? So let's start the work. I am giving first some of the equations. Some of the formulas. Ready? First one, work done in unit time. In the question, if it is given, work done in unit time means work done in 1 day. The meaning is work done in 1 day or work done in 1 hour or work done in 1 minute. Ready? So, work done in unit time means what is the meaning? Sometime work done in 1 day or work done in 1 hour or work done in 1 minute. Ready? Next one, if you want to find out the capacity or efficiency of a worker, if you want to find out capacity or efficiency of a worker, that is equal to work done in unit time, work done in unit time. To find out work done in unit time is 1 by time taken for whole work. 1 by time taken for whole work. Ready? Next one, if you want to find out time taken for the whole work means that will be 1 by capacity of the worker or efficiency of the worker. So if you want to find out time, what you will do? 1 by capacity or efficiency of the worker. Next one, time taken to finish partial work. Partial work means sometime a worker done 5 by 7 work or maybe a worker done 1 by 2 work, and what will be that? How many days it took? Such questions. Ready? So such case, what you will do? Time taken to finish partial work means partial work divided by capacity or efficiency of the worker. What is the equation? Yeah, partial work divided by capacity or efficiency of the worker. Is it okay? So let us start some of the equations. So I am starting by the symbol type of question first. So please make sure that you are watching continuous. So what you want to do? You have to subscribe this channel. Ready? Okay, let's start the work. Let us see type 1, symbol type of questions. Ready? So the first question, I am reading once, please listen. Ram can do a piece of work in 8 hours and Shyam alone can do it in 12 hours. In how much time will they finish the whole work working together? Ready? What is that? Ram can do a piece of work in 8 hours. That means if you want work done in Ram or work done by Ram in 1 day. So work done. First I am writing work done by Ram in 1 day equals, what you will do? Yeah, he done actually, Ram can do a piece of work in 8 hours. That means 1 day's work means what you will do? 1 by 8. Ready? Same way, work done by Shyam in 1 day equals 1 by 12 because it is given 12 hours, isn't it? So work done by Shyam in 1 day equals what you will do? 1 by 12. Ready? Now what you will do? If you want efficiency of Ram and Shyam, efficiency of Ram and Shyam equals, these two we will add it. Ready? Efficiency of Ram and Shyam means what you will do? 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. Now we have to take the LCM. How to take LCM? We will take the denominator 8 and 12. After that actually we have to go by prime factorization. But we studied one another method. What is the method? We will see the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 12. The bigger number 12 we can divide by 8. Then what you will do? We will try by the multiple of bigger number. Means 12 into 2 will try. And if you can do, okay. Otherwise what you will do? 12 into 3. This way we have to do. That is on another video. So please make sure that you are watching that video. That is LCM. The simple way of LCM. Ready? So here 12 into 2, 24. Check it this. 24 can you divide by 8? Yes. 8 3 is 24. That means your LCM is 24. Ready? Now see, the numerator 1 is here. So 8 into how much you will get? 24. 8 3s are. That means 3 will multiply upside. Plus 1 into 12 into how much you will get? 24. 12 2s are. So that 2 will multiply. Is it okay? Now 3 1s are 3 plus 2 1s are 2 divided by 24 equals 3 plus 2 5. That means 5 by 24. This is the efficiency of Ram and Shyam. Now if you want the time, see the previous equation, time taken for both of them. If you want time, so I am just writing time equals what will do? Time taken by both of them. What will do? Time equals 1 by efficiency. Efficiency equals 1 by efficiency is what? 5 by 24, isn't it? 1 by 5 by 24. 1 by 5 by 24 means 5 by 24 you have to take the reciprocal. That means what you will do? 1 into inverse of this means what? 24 by 5 equals 24 by 5. Now what you will do? We will divide it by 5. 5 4s are 20. So the balance remainder you got it 4. So you will take first quotient, that 4. Answer 4 and 4 by 5 days. So this is the time taken by both of them to finish the work. Ready? So let's start the yearly questions from some of the competitive exams. Let's see the next question. I'll read the question. A, B and C can complete a piece of work in 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. Working together, they will complete the work in option 1, 1 by 24 days, 2, 7 by 24 days, 3, 3 and 3 by 7 days and 4, 4 days. Of course, it came in RRC 10/6/2012 first sitting. Okay, let's start the work now. First, work done by A in 1 day. Done by A in 1 day. Means what you will do? 1 day means what you will write? 1 by 24. Ready? Same way, work done by B in 1 day. What you will write? Yeah, please tell. 1 by 6. Again, work done by C in 1 day. What you will do? 1 by 12. That means work done by A, B and C together means what you will do? Therefore, work done by A, B, C in 1 day. 1 day equals, we'll add it all this. 1 by 24 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. Ready? That means what you will do? We have to take the LCM of 24, 6 and 12. See, the bigger number is 24. While taking 6 4s are 24, 12 2s are 24. That means your LCM is 24. Ready? LCM and this denominator is same. That means 1 will be same. Plus. Now, 6 into how much you will get? 24? 6 4s are. That means 1 into 4 plus. 12 into how much you will get? 24? 12 2s are. That means 1 into 2. So we got it 1 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2 by 24 equals what you will get? 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. That means 7 by 24 days. So your right option is 7 by 24 means 2 will be the right option, that is 7 by 24 days. Let's see the next question. I'll read the question once. A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days, B and C in 24 days, A and C in 36 days. in what time can they do it all working together? Ready? So, the condition is given A and B, it takes 18 days, B and C 24 days, C and A or A and C took 36 days. So, we want to find out how many days it will take to work together. Ready? The options are A 12 days, B 13 days, C 16 days and D 26 days. Now, very important, this question came in SSC Tax Assistant 13/12/2009 and the same question came in CISF 29/8/2010. Ready? So, let us see how to do this question. Very careful. Some of the competitive exams, you can see this type of questions are there. Let us practice now. Okay. First, we will write work done by A and B in one day. So, we will write work done by A plus B in one day equals 1 by 18. Next, work done by B plus C in one day equals 1 by 24. Ready? Now, work done by A plus C. See, A and C in 36 days, isn't it? So, work done by A and C in one day equals what you will write? Equals 1 by 36. Now, what you will do? We will add it all these three equations together. Ready? Adding all together. See? Adding. Right? Work done by, we'll add it A plus B, B plus C, A plus C. Ready? That means we'll write A plus B plus first one added to second. That means B plus C plus A plus C in one day equals what you'll do? 1 by 18 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 36. See what we done? We are adding these three. This implies what you'll do? Work done by A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C. That means work done by A plus A. See? A plus A means what? 2A plus B plus B 2B plus C plus C 2C in one day equals what you will do now? We have to take the LCM of 18, 24 and 36. See, 18, 24, 36. Which is the bigger number here? 36. So first we have to see, is it possible by 18 to divide 36? Yes, 2 18s are, but 24 you can't do. Then what you will do? You have to take the multiple of 36, that means 36 into 2. What you will get? 72. Let us see now. 72 means 18 4s are 72, 24 3s are 72. That means the LCM is 72. This is one another method to find out LCM direct. Ready? So please make sure that you are studying that. Ready? So 72. After that, what you will do? See, 18 into how much you will get 72? 18 4s are. That means 1 into 4. Plus, now 24 into how much you will get 72? 3. That means 1 into 3 plus 1 into 36 into how much you will get 72? 2. That means we will write here 2. This equals 4 ones are 4 plus 3 ones are 3 plus 2 ones are 2 divided by 72 equals 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. 9 by 72. We can divide it by or we can cancel by 9. 9 ones are, I am cancelling by 9. 9 ones are 9. Here, if I cancel by 9, 9 8s are 72. That means what you will get? 1 by 8. That means you got work done by 2a plus 2b plus 2c. That means what? 2 into bracket a plus b plus c. I am taking 2 outside. So 2 into a plus b plus c in 1 day equals 1 by 8. Now work done by a plus b plus c. I am not taking 2. 2 is multiplying 2 times in 1 day equals what you will do? Yes, this 2 will go to next side because it's multiplying, goes next side, will divide. That means 1 by 8 into 2. This 2 came to this side. Ready? This equals 1 by 16. That means A, B and C to finish the work in 16 days if they work together. That means what is your right option? Right option is C, 16 days. Have we understand? Because 1 by 16 you got it, isn't it? That means if they complete in 1 by 16 means if they work together means 16 days. Careful, I am using more steps here. Why means to make you to understand. In competitive exams, you don't want to write all the steps because we won't get time. And we know that if you are in a competitive exam, you have to complete each question below 1 minute. Some seconds we have to take. That means we don't get more time. This way I am explaining for you because I need to make you to understand. Ready? But later in the later videos we will be going by shortcuts. Ready? But this time I have no option. I have to teach you step by step. Ready? Okay. Let's see the next question. I'll read the question once. A and B can do a piece of work in 72 days. B and C can do it in 120 days. And A and C can do it in 90 days. When A, B and C work together, how much work is finished by them in 3 days? Options are A, 1 by 40 days, B, 1 by 30 days, C, 1 by 20 days and D, 1 by 10 days. Of course, it came in M.T.S 27 to 2011 question paper. Ready? Let's start the work now. First one, work done by A and B in 1 day. Ready? So we'll write work done by A plus B in 1 day equals what you'll do? 72 days. That means 1 by 72. Next one, work done by, so just I'll write work done by B plus C in 1 day. How much is that? 1 by 120 because together is 120. Next, work done by A plus C in 1 day equals what you'll get? 1 by 90. Then okay, so what you'll do? Now all together we'll add it. That means work done by A plus B, first one plus, second one means what you'll do? B plus C, third one means A plus C in 1 day. In 1 day equals, we will add it all together. That means 1 by 72 plus 1 by 120 days plus 1 by 90. Careful, what you will do now? We have to take the LCM of 72, 120 and 90. So, we will take the LCM of 72, 120 and 90. We know that the bigger number is 120. So, we have to take by the multiple of 120. Ready? So, 120 if you looking itself we can understand. You can't divide 120 by 90. Ready? So, what we will do? We will try by the next multiple. What is that? 120 into 2. That is 240. Check it by 90 means 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 180. 9 threes are 27. 270. So it's not possible. So what you will do? 120 into 3. Let's check it now. That means 360. Sure, you can do it because 72 into how much you will get? 360. Yes, by 5, isn't it? So 72 into 5 and 120 into 3 and 90 into 4. That means we will take the LCM as 360. After that we will add it. 72. 72 into how much you will get 360? 5. That means 1 into 5 plus 1 into 120 into how much you will get 360? 3 plus 1 into 90 into how much? 90 into 4. That means we got it the LCM. After that we know that 72 into 5 will get 360. So that 5 will multiply upside. 120 into 3 will get 360. So we will multiply upside. 90 into 4 will get 360. That means that 4 will multiply upside. Now we know that 5 ones are 5 plus 3 ones are 3 plus 4 ones are 4 by 360. That means what we'll do? We'll add it, isn't it? So 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 by 360. We can cancel by 12. Just I am doing direct. So 12 ones are 12. 12 threes are 36. 12 threes are 36. That means 30. So we got it 1 by 30 is the work done by A plus B plus C plus. So now looking, you can understand A plus A, B plus B, C plus C. That means work done by 2A plus B plus C, because 2A, 2B, 2C. So I am taking 2 outside. So we will take work done by 2 into 2A plus 2B plus 2C. So I am taking 2 outside. So 2 into A plus B plus C in 1 day equals 1 by 30. Now we will make it into work done by A plus B plus C, means these 2 will go to next side, isn't it? Therefore work done by A plus B plus C in 1 day means what you will do? 1 by 30 is already here. This 2 is multiplying, goes next side, will divide. That means into 2. That means what you will get? 1 by 2 3s are 6. That means 1 by 60. That is why work done by A plus B plus C in 1 day. But how many days in the question? 3 days, isn't it? That means what you will do? Work done by A plus B plus C in 3 days equals, what you will do? 1 by 60 into 3 days, because both sides will multiply 3, because we need 3 days. So 3 ones are, will cancel by 3, 3 twos are. So we got it 1 by 20 days. So the right option is C, 120 days. I am writing more steps to make you to understand. So once you study nicely, you can do less steps. Ready? I'll read the next question. If A work alone, he would take 4 days more to complete the job than if both A and B work together. If B work alone, he would take 16 days more to complete the job than if A and B work together. How many days would they take to complete the work if both of them work together? The options are A, 10 days, B, 12 days, C, 6 days, D, 8 days. Of course, it came in SSC Tier 1 19/6/2011 question paper. Of course, it is a little bit higher level question. So please make sure that those preparing for little high level exams, you can do this one. Otherwise, you don't want to do this. Okay. So I will start the work now. So here in this question, actually the condition they didn't give A and B both together how much time they takes. So we have to find out that, isn't it? So to find out that, we don't know that. So we will take, let X be the work done by both of them. Ready? So we will take, let X days be taken by both of them to finish the work. Ready? Now what is case? A complete the job 4 days more than if A and B work together. Means, therefore, A complete the work in X plus 4 days. and B. B complete the work in how many days more? 16 days, isn't it? That means we'll write X plus 16 days. But now we know that the work done by both of them in one day, what you'll do? Work done by both of them in one day equals 1 by X. But we know that both of them work done by one day means what you'll do? A's work and B's work together, isn't it? That means we'll write 1 by X plus 4 because this is a complete work. So one day means what will happen? 1 by X plus 4. The complete work of B is X plus 16. So if one day means what you'll do? 1 by X plus 16. Ready? That means 1 by X plus 4 plus 1 by X plus 16 is the work done by together in one day. That means together we got it already 1 by X because we took already X is the work done by both of them together. Ready? Now this implies now purely quadratic equation we are using. Quadratic equations. Ready? So now what you'll do? We'll take the LCM. Here these two are different. So you just multiply and write. That means X plus 4, this one and this one. X plus 16. This way will multiply. That means what you'll do? 1 into this. That means X plus 16, this part, plus this will go to here. That means X plus 4. See? This and this together we are writing. After that this will multiply to here. This will multiply to here. Equals 1 by X. Now see. X plus X, 2X. Plus X plus X, 2X. Now 16 plus 4, 20. Divided by, we have to open the bracket. So X into X, X square. X into X, X square. X plus X, 2X. See? X into X, X square. X plus X, 2X. Ready? So we'll get here X into X, X square. Yeah, the sign is plus. Now X into 16. That means plus 16X. Again 4 into X, 4X. Again 4 into 16, 64. Please multiply and write. This equals 1 by X. This implies 2X plus 20 divided by X square plus 16X plus 4X. These two are same term. That means what you'll do? 16X plus 4X will add it. So 16 plus 4. Yes. 20X plus balance is 64 equals 1 by X. Ready? Now we'll cross multiply. This way we'll cross multiply. So these two. That means this implies 2X plus 20 into this. What is that? X equals. This will multiply. What is that? X square plus 20X plus 64. Into 1 means no need, right? Ready? This implies we will open the bracket. X into 2X. X into 2X. 2X square. Again X into 20 plus 20X equals X square plus 20X plus 64. Implies 2X square plus 20X is already here. So these all the other terms will carry to the next side. So this all, that is, this implies, see, 2X square plus 20X. Now what you'll do? X square will carry to the next side. That will be minus X square plus 20X will go to next side. Minus 20X equals balance is 64. Now plus 20X minus 20X will cancel. Now 2X square minus X square. What you'll get? 1X square means X square. So X square equals 64. Therefore X equals root of 64. Square goes next side root. So 8 8s are 64. How to take square root? It is in another video. So if you want, please go through that. Ready? So this equals 8. So how many days will take? 8 days will take by both of them to complete the work. That means which is the right option? D is the right option. This question is bit high level. So what do you want to do? Need to practice more time. Ready? Especially with the quadratic equations. So we will be practicing such work and time questions continuous. Of course, some questions will be little tough, but don't worry. When you practice more, you will understand. So subscribe this channel to get the balanced videos. This is a series of videos, so don't forget to start from the first video. Okay.